What's good, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video, guys. I know it's been a hot minute and I know you guys probably have a bunch of questions. We got a bunch of new subscribers and I'm sure you guys are questioning where the hell I've been. Today we're gonna be doing this. We're just gonna do an oil change on the BRZ. It's about time that we do the oil, and I know it sounds kind of boring, but I decided to bring you guys along for that. I'm just gonna kind of vlog while I do the oil change, and I'll give you guys an update of what's going on with the channel, what I have planned, and what we're going to be doing with the BRZ in the upcoming few weeks. First, what we got to do is get the BRZ on a more flat level. So we got to move this van out of the way and put the BRZ right there so that we can do the oil change properly. So let's just get to it, guys. Right now what I'm doing is just getting everything together before I start making sure I have everything. Let's get to the point of this video. So pretty much, guys, where I've been is I've been really busy with school. As you guys know, I'm a full-time student and I'm working a full-time job. So trying to figure out that schedule and trying to go to the gym and everything, and meal prep and eating right and having a girlfriend and managing my social life, Instagram, all these things, all at the same time was really hard for me. And that's pretty much what I was struggling with the most. I was not really finding time to make videos, which is why I only really put out like 1 or 2 videos in the last like 3 or 4 months. I think I found a pretty good balance. So what I'm doing right now is, since I have a break from school, I plan on doing a couple things to the car. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, this is the goal that we're going for the BRZ right now. So I'm starting a new series in which to eventually have my car looking like this car that I'm gonna put on the screen right now. That's the goal that I want. I want to go bags, as you guys know. That's my goal for the summer 2019. We're gonna go bags, and I actually reached out to the owner of this car. He's a really cool dude, and he was giving me some advice on how I should go about that build. And basically, he told me all the parts that I'm gonna need, and to have the right fitment. It's gonna take a lot of adjusting, which is why there's so many parts to have that fitment right, just like he has it. I feel like his fitment is probably my favorite fitment of like any BRZ or FRS that I've seen. So basically, he did all the hard work, and he's just giving me the recipe so that I can do it to my car. And I like the idea of this series, in which we find a build that we like, and I teach you guys how to achieve that build, and that way you guys learn the proper way to achieve a certain look that you might want to go for, and I can make videos of installations and stuff like that. Oh, and also to give you guys an update of the BRZ and what state it's in, I have it back on the stock wheels, stock suspension. It's winter, so you know, your boys gotta stay safe out here, you heard? We got the mobile one right here, and the oil filter K&N, of course. As a matter of fact, go in the comment section. I want to know what type of oil you guys use for your car. Even if you don't drive a BRZ, what type of oil do you use? If you have a build or whatever, or you're just a day-to-day guy, what type of oil do you use? Let me know in the comment section. Okay. Oh, also guys, I had a huge oil leak. Look at that. A lot of oil. Actually, Z found the leak. We were installing the stock springs. He noticed the leak, and we noticed it was coming from the filter, so it's all good. So thank God that we realized that. I checked the oil level, everything was good, but we lost a little bit of oil there. Don't mind my choppy ass hands. It's freezing. I'm just gonna let that sit there. Let it drain a little bit. But as you can see, there's some oil pooled up around. There shouldn't be that much oil around there. Alright guys, started getting way too cold, so oh hey buddy. So I came back inside, and I guess this is Max, by the way. Hey buddy. But anyways, like I was saying, it was getting way too cold, so I just decided to bring you guys inside and finish it up inside. Okay buddy, go. I know this video was a little bit all over the place, but I thought it'd be a cool idea if I brought you guys along and I vlogged to you guys while I did my oil change. I hope you guys understand what I was trying to say and what the plan is for the YouTube channel. I'm gonna start ordering the parts and installing parts before I actually install the bags, so that everything could be in place. So the first thing I'm gonna order is lower control arms, and we're gonna take it from there. And like I said, I'm gonna do install videos, and I'm gonna do basically an entire series of this build, so that you guys, if you guys choose to do this to your car, you know exactly what parts you're gonna need, how much it's gonna cost, so that way you guys don't run into any issues when you try to do it on your own. But I guess I'm gonna leave it at that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to thank you guys so much for, you know, staying a part of the family and keeping me positive. A lot of you guys send me messages and still comment on old videos, which is awesome. And we're still getting new subscribers. We're legit about to hit 6,000 subs, and I haven't made a video in a while. So I want to thank you guys for sticking around. And as always, as I like to say on my channel, remember to savage responsibly in whatever it is that you guys do. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.